Right now, the Bitcoin price action is creating a double top here on the 4-hourly time frame. And in this video, I will be exactly discuss what is most likely going to be happen next for Bitcoin. But more importantly, I will be going over the most important resistance and support targets. I will be going in towards a very important structure I am currently identifying in this cryptocurrency market right now. And I will be, of course, discuss the most important charts. And of course, in 2 days from now on, we will be having the FOMC meeting, and I will be talking about my expectations of this meeting. So don't forget to slap up that like button, because on yesterday's video we smashed it back above 400 likes. Can we once again do it on today's update video? That will be absolutely incredible. So don't forget to slap up that like button right now, and let's jump straight away in towards the content. And once actually looking at the imminent short term, we're not forming a new consolidation phase, and actually the last 3 times we formed that consolidation phase on the market, we did clearly saw where the market was heading towards next. So far we're not spotting a new consolidation phase, so I can't tell you exactly about where I think Bitcoin is going to go towards in the imminent short term right now. But once looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently start to see that Bitcoin has been creating actually 2 small little tops right here, right? We formed one top, then we came down, we pushed once again back towards the upside and forming another top. And in case Bitcoin is going to be seeing a further movement and a further swing towards the downside, and we come back towards that base price around 20.1k, if we come back towards this green box of support right here, we are potentially going to be forming an M pattern. And if we do retest the lower side here on the market and confirm an M pattern on Bitcoin, we could be potentially start to see another potential breakdown from of this point onwards. And if we actually do break below the 20.1k target, we could be heading and we could be targeting for levels somewhere around, and let me say this correctly, around the 19.2k. So here you have the green box of support, and if we do break below it, we're going to be heading towards 19.1k. So make sure to keep your eyes wide open on this very important level of support. More importantly, also looking at the parallel channel Bitcoin is currently creating, we are currently seeing that Bitcoin is trading in a gigantic parallel channel, just like we done in the past. And right now we are basically getting rejected every single time from the top side. So what I want to be seeing is actually a break above the very important level of resistance on that top side. If we do break above this important level of resistance we can currently spot on the market, we can potentially start to see more upside getting generated once again here. So make sure to keep all your eyes wide open on this parallel channel on Bitcoin. And actually, if we do have a break above it, we could start to see more upside getting generated. And if we also are looking at the daily time frame, historically speaking, Bitcoin has been creating many of these parallel channels. So hopefully we can start to see a potential breakout out of this one towards the upside rather than the downside, because the last ones all did clearly broke towards the downside. Furthermore, also looking at the Bitcoin price action here on the 4-hourly time frame, we can currently start to see that Bitcoin is creating a bearish divergence. This is exactly where I warned you for yesterday while we were trading around that $21,000 target, and right now we're already down at approximately $500. But my expectation is either for Bitcoin to go sideways or to see more downside from here on. That is what my expectation yesterday is actually was as well. We are creating a gigantic bearish divergence on the 4-hourly time frame. We're coming towards the end of the divergence actually, so I do really expect to see some sideways price action or potentially movement towards the downside. We can potentially also start to see the market shift back towards the upside again, since we are also creating a higher low together with a higher high structure. So that is actually looking quite all right for Bitcoin. Furthermore, looking at my gigantic downtrend, my chart with all the master downtrends in it, we can currently see that we're getting rejected by this important line on the market right here. And you can clearly see this level has been providing significant resistance in the past. And once again, it rejected this over and over again. Currently, we were very close by breaking potentially above this level. So far, we've not officially broke above it. So let's see where we're going to be heading towards from off this point onwards. If we do break above it, you will be the first one to know on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now to see exactly once we do break above this important and critical level of resistance, because if we do break above this level, I honestly expect we're going to be going towards the upside in a very rapid pace. So make sure to subscribe to the channel for more about that. Also, if you actually want to be trading, don't forget to check out Bybit and BitGet in the link in the description right now. You can claim some insane deposit bonuses, and in the bear market, that is the thing what you want to do, right? You want to be benefiting from all the deposit bonuses the exchanges are offering us, and I believe that you should have a diversified account. So also make sure to diversify your crypto over multiple exchanges, and that is why I am personally using BitGet and Bybit together. So don't forget to check out the exchanges in the link in the description right now if you are interested in trading cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin. Further on, looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, I am starting to see that the daily time frame is about to have that crossover we've been waiting for over 200 days on the market, because the EMA ribbon is about to be having a bullish crossover right here. We can clearly see the EMA ribbon is maybe 1 or 2 days out here before potentially creating that bullish crossover, and that is of course exactly the thing I'm waiting for. The last time it did happen, we surged towards the upside, and actually historically speaking, always once we do cross bullish on the daily time frame on the EMA ribbon, we tend to at least see a small little uptrend getting created, often about 10% towards the upside. So once we do cross bullish, I honestly do think the momentum is going to keep on continuing towards the upside. And also, just like last time around here, it lasted not for a very long time here, right? The bullish crossover on the daily EMA. But what we clearly did saw is that we moved up on the EMA short term. So I honestly do expect the same, and this will be the first time the EMA ribbon is going to be flipping bullish again since 221 days. So this is of course a very long period in the market, and it's definitely going to be having a bullish effect right here. So make sure to get ready for that. It's actually looking very exciting. Furthermore, looking at the weekly time frame for Bitcoin, I still want to be pointing this out. On the weekly time frame, honestly, it looks just so perfect if we do get a bounce from off this level right here, right? If we get a bounce exactly from the previous all-time high, I wouldn't be surprised. We've been seeing a very long consolidation phase, so let's see how it's going to be playing out. But more importantly, in 2 days from now on, we will be having the FOMC meeting, and currently approximately 16% of the market is pricing in a 50% basis point hike, and approximately 80% of the market is pricing in a 75 basis point hike. If we go with a 75 basis point hike, we are expecting to see a small little dump here. But actually, I want to be pointing out this very interesting tweet by Charles, because Charles is saying that economists at BlackRock are telling financial advisors that they expect pivot language at the next Federal Reserve meeting, when they expect Powell to announce the 75 basis point hike, followed by 2 smaller ones, and after that get a pause around to 4.75%. So he is expecting that in the next Federal Reserve meeting, Powell is going to talk about a pivot language. So if he's going to be saying some more pivot things, the market can react very positively towards it. So make sure to tune in 2 days from now on the channel, because in 2 days from now on, we will be live streaming this meeting, and it could be so that the markets are going to reverse like crazy, because Powell is going to talk about a pivot. So make sure to get ready. Things can get moving very quickly, especially on those meetings. So make sure to be there. Subscribe to the channel right now if you do enjoy the daily content we're bringing out on the channel. More importantly, if you want to learn how to copy trade, check out the videos that are currently popping up above. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new update video here on the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.